Hello everyone, welcome to Beaver's Hobby Channel. This is everything you need to know about the JSK1 light kit. First of all, I would like to thank JSK for sending me this kit for a review and tutorial. The product links are in the description as always if you are interested. Now let's get on with the show. The package is really simple, just the light kit in an anti-static bag. And a manual leaflet. This is mainly for 1/20th and 1/24th scale. But you can use it with anything, providing it uses 3mm LED. Normally, having lights on the body means that the body will be attached to the chassis almost permanently. There could be a small plug that is either tedious or too difficult to pull out. And this is the solution from JSK. The two sides of the light kit are connected together with a magnet plug. To put it simply, it is like a MacBook charger. So you can take the body and the light out of the chassis completely and snap it back easily. Just make sure that these tabs are in the same direction. And that's it. Now we have an easily removable light kit. Not just that, but it also comes with a light controller with effects for brake, backfire and more. And let's see the function by the color. White is headlight, it has low beam and high beam. Red is the tail light and brake light. The blue is mainly for underglow, but you can also use it as an auxiliary light for anything. And the yellow is backfire. Let's take a look at the magnet plug. You can leave it dangling like this. Or if you want to hard mount the terminals, the bolt pattern is M2 with the spacing from 19 to 37mm. Next, I'm gonna show you how to connect and set it up. This is the light controller. First, plug the ESC into the light controller. And then the cable with 3 wires goes to the channel 2 or the throttle channel. This will intercept the throttle signal for the light controller. And then connect the cable with 1 wire to an auxiliary channel on the receiver. Usually for a drift car, this will go into the channel 4 because we already use the channel 3 for gyro gain. Next is how to set up the transmitter for the light function switch. You'll have to set the auxiliary channel that you plug the 1 wire in to alternating switch, by which I mean it is 1 click to change the state from low to high and another click to change the state from high to low. This is called turn on FlySky Noble NB4. On FlySky G7P, it is called rev mode. On Radiolink, it is LK-A or LK with the switch you want. And finally, on Futaba, it is called ALT or ALT. Next, you'll need to calibrate the throttle on the light kit, otherwise you might experience the throttle cut off like I did here. To do that, click the light function button that you set up in the previous step rapidly 6 times. It will reset and calibrate the throttle. And here are the light functions. brake and backfire are activated automatically, corresponding to your throttle command. If these functions don't activate correctly, you'll need to reverse the activation by pressing the switch rapidly 9 times. With the setup done, you can click the switch to cycle through the program. This will activate and deactivate the headlights on low beam, as well as turn the underglow on and off. Double-click to activate the high beam. If you cycle through the program in this mode, the headlights will stay on. And that's everything you need to know about the JSK1 light kit. Now let's see how good it looks on the move. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.